This conference will now be recorded.
Hello guys, I'm Narendra, Institute Head Quick Expert Infotech. Welcome to the quick preview of Linux Fundamentals course. Okay, so let me tell you something about us. We are ISO certified institute and we are also registered with the trademark of India. Hence, there is R in the logo. Plus, this is one of our live project, and this is a training dashboard that you will see when after you enroll for this particular course. Now, I'll quickly tell you why you can enroll, the reasons to learn Linux, why you can enroll, and the job opportunities. Fine. First of all, you understand that anybody can learn, whether you are from IT or non-IT, doesn't matter. You can easily learn because there is no programming involved. Fine. Now, second thing, there are many jobs in the industry, like the desktop support jobs, server support jobs. They generally work with the Linux. The reason is that most of the servers in the industry are on the Linux platform because Linux is a OS. OS means operating system. Like we are using the Windows. Okay, even your Android also is a OS. Okay, so similarly Windows is a OS. So in the same way, we also have the Linux as the OS, and it is well known for its security and everything, so it's widely used in the industry. Hence there are huge jobs, a large number of jobs of the desktop support, server support, where generally they uh, log into the Linux servers, get the files, extract the meaningful information out of it, which is called as the troubleshooting. Okay, troubleshooting of server. And sometimes also it is like they also check the server health by writing some server networking related commands. Okay, so all these sort of activities are covered in this particular training course. So it's a quickly just 3 lectures course only. So that too just 1.5 to 2 hours of recording. It's a purely recording and not the live batch recording because not needed. And hence we have made this course completely free for our students. So because another benefit for you is that once you learn this OS Linux, obviously you can add this Linux in your CV and it will help you crack more interviews in the industry. Because sometimes, example, see, if you're going for the Oracle course, okay, if you're going for the Oracle course, then example in the SQL troubleshooting jobs, many times Linux basics are required because they have to get the files on the server or write the commands on the server directly. Okay, so it is helpful there also. So after learning Linux, you can go for SQL or Excel. I'll come back to it in 1 minute. Okay, so I've told you about the openings, various openings that will help you after learning this course. Then this is a course syllabus, installation, in the Linux architecture introduction, common use commands, file handling commands. As I've told you, we have to work with the servers and file handling commands are needed. Okay. And then the permissions and the troubleshooting and the networking commands. As I told you, sometimes you have to even see the server health and everything for which the networking commands are required. Okay. So as I've told you, this installation part, initially the virtual box is required, and from where to download, how to download, everything is covered in the recording. Okay, so there is no need to worry. Again, how to install Linux in the virtual box, even that part also is covered in the recording. Fine. So that's the reason I've told you it's just a 3 lectures. It will help you, just highlight your resume because having a new knowledge obviously is better. It will help you be apart, keep you apart from your competitors. Your competitor means the other job applicants. So as I've told, it's a three lectures only. So all these 3 lectures we have made completely free for you, and the preview is whatever I'm speaking right now. Fine. And as you can see, we have kept a nominal charge. If somebody want to get certified, want to download this completion of certificate, they can enroll and they can download. Okay. Rest everything will be the same. You can see this is a training dashboard. You can download the certificate over here. So once you download certificate, different policy will not be applicable. Then there are 3 lectures are there. All the 3 lectures we have already provided over here because we want earlier. Actually, we were giving this Linux course free only to the Oracle students. But since even Java projects are deployed on the server, Python projects are deployed on the Linux server, Oracle projects are deployed Linux server. So in many job interviews, they sometimes ask the Linux basics. So we thought it is highly important, and hence we have made it free for everyone. So to come onto this page, you just have to go here, type Linux over here, or directly come over here on the Linux. Okay, we'll come onto this page. Now, after learning this Linux, so before that, I will just show you the notes. So you will get these notes that covers all the basic commands, components, user interface, file structure commands, like file commands, text editing commands, like how to write this Vim command is widely used. Okay, Vim to edit the text. Okay, then grep to read the last few lines. Okay, this searches for a particular pattern in a file system. So all these commands are covered in this particular course, along with some additional commands also. See, read write permissions, group permissions, user group management, and then the networking commands. Okay, so these all things also you will get along with this course. Okay, so now this is all about the course which I have made it free for you. You can just visit this page anytime and you can start learning. Okay, there are no restrictions. Now the point number two. The point number two is after learning this Linux, what all things you can learn. See this Excel course. You can see this Excel and this is an Excel and the Excel advanced course. So a basic Excel course which is required for every IT engineer. Okay, or even the non-IT engineer who are working in the finance field and a lot of other fields. So Excel is required, as you already know. So we have also made that course free. So only if you want to learn the advanced Excel part, then only you have to pay some nominal charge. For that also, we have created a pre-recorded sessions, because this we think is the primary necessity of every professional in the industry, and hence we have made these courses available to the students. Okay, earlier only it was for our students, now for everyone. So after learning this Linux, you can go, if you want to go for the IT jobs, as I told you, after doing this Linux and the Excel, you will be eligible for a lot of jobs like a desktop support engineer, IT support engineer, even the Excel tech jobs, etc. But if you learn along with these two, SQL also, okay, only SQL, then your SQL, Excel, and Linux, even those job opportunities will also open. So you can combine this Linux anywhere on your CV with any of the technology, but this is a very good combination, SQL, Excel, Linux. So apart from these courses, we have many job-oriented courses which can be learned by IT and non-IT students. Okay, or IT and non-IT people, so like Java, .NET, Oracle, software testing, Python, data science, data analyst, full stack developer, web development, Munstack, Winstack, Salesforce, ServiceNow, cloud computing, digital marketing, app development, R language, etc. So you can log in onto the website, and many of these courses have the live batch recording, and many of the courses are purely online and classroom trainings. So hope to soon. So that's it from my end. If you have any queries, you can talk to our counselors. So that's it from my end. So hope to soon see you as an enrolled student of our Institute Quick Expert Infotech. Thank you. All the best for your career. Bye bye.